Hi guys, my name is John Michael Reyes and this is the Packet Tracer activity of Chapter 8 and this is the Skill Integration Challenge, and as you can see it is far more harder than the Chapter 7 and Chapter 6 because as you can see there are only few information that it gives us. Then scenario: as a network technician familiar with IPv6 and IPv4 addressing implementation, you are now ready to take an existing network infrastructure and apply your knowledge and skill to finalize the configuration. In this activity, the network administrator has already configured some commands on the router. Do not erase or modify those configurations. Your task is to complete the IPv4 and IPv6 addressing scheme, implement IPv4 and IPv6 addressing, and verify connectivity. Then as you can see, there are a lot of requirements here. Configure the initial setting of branch A, branch B, all the things. Then LAN A is using the subnet 172.20.16.0.23. Then the LAN B is using the subnet 2001 DB8 fade 00FF /64. Assign the next available subnet to LAN B2. Then finish documenting the addressing table and follow the guidelines. Then first, let's document about the LAN A1 and let's check if it can accommodate 500 hosts. And we all know that /23 can accommodate 512 hosts and -2, so the available host can accommodate 510 hosts because of the 2 reserved. That's why it is -2. Then 250, it would be a /24, because /24 can accommodate 256. I think 200, yeah, it's 256 hosts. Then the LAN B1 is using the subnet 2001, and we'll just gonna focus on this OOFF. The next one would be after the FF, that would be 1, so the next one would be 0100 double semicolon /64. Then the configure the router with its documentation. Branch B uses FE8B. Then the link local address configure. It is just a bit easy. Then let's try. Then FE80. Then first of all FE80B. Then we'll just do this one on FE80B. Then these are my information gathered and all the equations in here because I've already answered this one. Then after that, let's configure the router. First of all, it should be enable, then configure terminal. Then after that, hostname branch/A. Then after that should be the banner mode. It's not a banner mode /1. After that is the LAN console. So LAN console 0. No, not that. Enable secret plus, then console 0, then password with Cisco, login exit, then line VTY 0 to 15, then password Cisco. Then after that, login exit. Then we would encrypt all the password encryption. Oh my bad. Then after that, we will use this one, that things that I assign. Then for branch A, let's go to interface gigabit 00. Then assign the IP address. The IP address with this is the subnet mask. The subnet mask would be 254 because it is /23. And let me explain. Notepad. The /23 would be like this: 1 5 6 7 8 1.1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 0.1 2 3 4 5 6 7, then 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Then the value for that is 1 2 8 64. Then after that would be 32, then 16 8 4 2 1. Then as you can see in this one and in this one, the only thing that is not in one is the value 1, so it would be 255 minus 1, it will be 254. Then now shutdown command. After that will be description branch A to what's the A1, then exit. Now let's go to the interface gigabit 01, then use this because it is the IP address of that. Then it is 255 because it is /24, as I've said earlier. And now shutdown command, description branch A2 what's the S WA2, then exit. Then after that we would go to interface gigabit 0/2. Then we would apply the IP address of that in here. It is written in here. As you can see, it is 31251. Then the subnet mask would be this one. Then now shutdown command, then description branch A2 central. Then after that we will end, then right, in order to save the configurations. Then as you can see, it is all green in the branch A and it is now connected to the central. Then let's go to the branch B and CLI, then enable configure terminal. Then after that is hostname branch B. After the branch B, enable secret class. I think it is class. Yep, it is class. Then banner mode, then line console 0, then password Cisco, then login, then exit, then line UTY 0 to 15, then password password Cisco, then login, then exit again. After that, we'll go to service password encryption in order to encrypt all the passwords. Then we're already done in the banner mode, so we will gonna go to the interface VLAN. No, it's not VLAN, it will be 0/0. Then let's go to my Excel file. This are the for the IPv6, so 0 IPv6 address, then we're gonna paste it here. Then for the link local, IPv6 address, the link local will be this one. Then after that, sorry for that, I'm pretty sleepy right now. Then after the link local, then the no shutdown command. Then after that, description, then branch B2 SAA B2 B1, then exit. Then let's go to another interface, gigabit 0/1. Then the 0/1 would have this IP address, IPv6 address, IPv6 address. Then paste here. So, and then let's go for the link local address. Command link local, then do not shutdown command in order for it to connect. Then description, branch B2, switch B2. Then after that, exit. Then let's go to the interface, gigabit Ethernet, 0/2. Then after that, we need to put this one. After IPv6 address, then paste it here. And after that, is IPv6 again, IPv6 address with this link local. Link local. Then after that, now shutdown command in order to connect. Description, then branch B2 central. Exit, then and we should write. Then after that, let's see in the requirements if we should the LAN 2. So the LAN have already have connections. Then are still low VLAN, so it is already good. Then we need to use all this information in order to fill this up. Then now we are gonna use this one. We should copy it here. Then this one is here. This one is the default gateway. And let's go to this one. Let's X this first. if you get used to it, it's kinda easy, but then let's X this one. Let's go to this IPv6. Oh shit, this should this one in here 64, the link local, it will, then after that you should copy the central PKA, because as you can see here in the requirements, it should have the PKA, so central DNS, then go to the B2, B1 also, then the DNS server should also, I think we should also get the DNS server here, also in this one, then the DNS server, and I think that's all. Let's try to see if we have a connection to it. So let's try to ping. What's the IP address of this one? Try to ping it from the ping base, and let's see if it has a connection. At all, and as you can see, it has a connection. And let's see if the requirements central PKA can connect to central PKA. So website central dot PKA. Also this one, let's try to this one, yes. This a bit, and as you can see, it can access the central PKA, and you are probably done in our activity. It is a bit slow because we are in the real time, so I run the simulation mode and hostname unsolved. Let's see this one, DNS. It is already good, so, and as you can see, it is already good and finished. Thank you for listening.